What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the top stocks that I'm currently watching today and looking to trade tomorrow, actually. Today's March 22nd, and these are just two stocks that I'm looking to trade on Friday in the third week of March in 2018. I just wanted to share them with you guys. So it's not Tesla right now, guys. The first stock that I'm looking at is Drip. Drip is actually the inverse to Gush that we actually traded yesterday and made $320 profit on. And for those of you guys that don't know, inverse ETFs, pretty much when one goes up, the other one goes down. And Drip and Gush are two ones that I've been trading a bunch recently, and they're both correlated to this oil index right here, SPS IOP. And whenever this particular index goes up, Gush goes up, right? And whenever it goes down, Drip goes down. So we saw that Gush had a huge bull run the other day. I think it went up like 15% in a matter of 2 days when I was able to buy in at about $20, but it actually already hit lows of $20.80 roughly, and it went all the way up to $24.80 almost, guys. So that's a huge, I think that was like 15 to 20% in 2 days, right? So it was due for a huge little pullback, and today that's exactly what happened. We can see today it pulled back once it hit $24.80, and now it's at $23.33, and that's a 5% pullback. And I actually made a position, or took a position rather, in Drip yesterday, so I was a little bit early on Drip, and I'm going to add more to it tomorrow as I see it continue this particular trend that it's on. So if we look closer at Drip, we can see that obviously as Gush hit highs of $24, $25, this one hit lows of about $11.90, I think it hit. Yeah, $11.92, $11.96. And if we go to the 20-day chart, we see that it was very low compared to, the typical pattern that we see here with Drip. So me being a riskier investor, kind of jumping the gun a little bit, I invested right here at $12.20 yesterday, and today I'm up about 4% on Drip. And like I said, I'm going to add more money to this tomorrow as I continue to watch it and as I continue to see, this validate the trend that it's currently on. So Drip is the first stock that I'm currently watching. I see about 10% potential for profit with this particular stock. Let's say if you were to wait a little bit more, and let's say you wait until $13 to invest, I see up to the first resistance of about $14.35. That's about, sorry, my voice is kind of getting a little dry, guys, but up to $14.35, that's 10% potential for profit. And I got in early, like I said, at $12.20 with a smaller position, guys. And from there up to the same resistance that we were just talking about, that's about 15% potential for profit. So Drip, that's why it's the number one stock or ETF that I'm watching right now. And let's talk about the second one. The second ETF, yet another ETF that I'm watching, is JDST, and this is another one just like Gush and Drip that I've been trading a bunch on my channel, and this is a great buying opportunity in my personal opinion when it comes to JDST. And for those of you guys that don't know, JDST is another inverse ETF. Its inverse is JNUG, and these two pretty much just trade upon /GC, which are the gold futures, and we can see that pretty much whenever whenever GC, the gold futures, go up, JNUG becomes a better play because that goes up as well. And whenever GC goes down, right, JDST becomes a better play. So if we look closer at this particular gold chart here, we saw that okay, it was continuing this this pattern of creating lower lows. So it's on a downtrend right now. We can see that very clearly here. And once it hit about 1309, it shot all the way up. This was actually yesterday. It shot all the way up to 1336. And when you see that, this huge shoot up, we're expecting a pullback, especially if it's going to continue to follow this particular downtrend of creating lower lows that we see right here. So we were pretty much waiting for wherever GC was going to top off and start to confirm, that downtrend. And we can see that that's already started to happen here. It's already topped off at 1335, like I said, and now it's down to 1330, and it's fighting to, hold above this EMA line. But in my personal opinion, this is going to continue to downtrend, and I see it falling. It has potential to fall anywhere from 1300 to 1305 in my personal opinion. And like I said before, guys, whenever slash GC goes down, whenever gold futures go down, JDST becomes a better play. And then when we look at JDST right here, you know, we zoom in on this particular pattern right here and on this particular chart so we can see it closer. We see that there's a common support level roughly at about $55. And like I said, yesterday GC went all the way up to $13.35, and that really oversold JDST down to the $53 range. And I'm kind of mad I wasn't able to get in because all my money is currently tied up, and I was not able to get in at $53, or else, believe me, I would have gotten in because that was a very, very good buying opportunity in my opinion. Support levels $55. It's currently right there right now, and I see potential with JDST running up to about $60 as that being the common resistance level. And we can see in this particular chart that there's a common pattern playing here. It's like it goes to 55, spikes up to 60, down to 55 again. Here it hit like 56, you know, spiking back up to 60. Here again, down to 55, back up to 60. So now it oversold, like I said, to $53. I was not able to get in, but now that it's confirming an uptrend, right? It's bounced off that $53 level. GC is starting to downtrend. It's validated that downtrend in my personal opinion, and now we're holding up above $55. And I just see this stock, you know, or this ETF rather, having potential to go to $60 plus. So from that particular price point, if we look a little bit closer, the 20-day chart here, you can see it even better here with that particular pattern that I was talking about, right? But from this particular price point, $55 up to $60, which is the previous resistance level, like I said, that's closer to 8% potential for profit. And this does have potential to go up to about $62, $63 in my personal opinion, because GC is on a downtrend in my personal opinion based off the technical analysis that I've done on that particular chart. So I do see it going from $62 to $62 to $63, and that's where I plan on taking profits. But realistically, $60 is a safe bet with JDST, and that's why I see a ton of potential in this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And please do your own due diligence when you're trading these stocks, guys. Do not trade them based off of my personal opinion, because that's how you'll get screwed in the stock market 100%. So follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfest_entrepreneurship. The link should be down below in the description. And if you guys want to see my profits and how much I make in the stock market, make sure to go follow me there. I post it on my stories whenever I lock in profits, and whenever I'm up in my account, you'll see it on my stories. So make sure to go follow me on there if you're interested. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found value in it. Let's make some money today. Peace!